Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
Today we will make a simple fire alarm circuit using very few components. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. I will show you a touch switch. You don't need 4 and 4 for this, but since I assembled this for fire alarm, we can keep it. On of my hand I am holding the positive line and using the other hand I am touching the base of the transistor. If you are making a booster circuit, then you don't even require to hold the positive line. The static charge from our body will be boosted and will switch the LED on. I will make a video on that soon. In that circuit you need to shield the input, else noise will false trigger the circuit. We are moving away from the original one, which is fire alarm. Let's test that. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video. This is because the PN junction barrier is breaking at high temperature, similar to the operation of Zener diode. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you.
This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.